Yeah, I just watched Dr. Faber on Bloomberg on my internet. I'm not watching TV over here in Jackson anymore. Um, yeah, what he's saying is he's not saying that gold is going to go up. He's not saying that silver is going to go up. He's not saying that treasury bonds are going to go up. What he's saying is, relatively speaking, those assets are oversold, and relatively speaking, the U.S. market is overbought. Whether it's going to keep going up, he didn't say that. Whether or not this thing is going to go down, which the market action yesterday was very impressive on the S&P. Very impressive. Maybe Joe Wiesenthal was right. I mean, it responded strongly. You know, like some people allege that there's a bunch of well, it doesn't look too impressive from there, right there. If you guys can see that candlestick. That's still impressive because everybody thought, it held. 1550 is held pretty strongly. So yeah. But bonds are really oversold, as we saw yesterday. They went down 50%. Gold has went down 30%. Silver was down, I don't know. I didn't even look. Let's look. And we're talking about in the last 6 months. We're not going back real far. Okay, roughly 32 to 20. It's like a 60% drop, isn't it? Yeah, that's 60%. And it went to 19. It went down 65%. So, I mean, relatively speaking, that's cheap. I mean, nobody would be bitching if their gas went down 60%, if their bread went down 60%, if their steaks went from $3 to $1.80, you wouldn't be complaining. You'd be pretty damn happy about it. So, if you like silver, you like gold, you like bonds, I'd buy them. And, there's still a lot of people who like to buy when things are going up. They still like to buy, the great Jesse Livermore said, prices never stop. He said, keep buying. He would say, keep buying or keep selling, depending on the trend. The trend is, these people who have the trend as your friend, they do really well. Of course, when they get clipped, they get clipped. So I would just suggest to take your margin down. Watch your margin. So I'm just looking at this right here. I want to look at this real quick on the NASDAQ. 3 years, the weekly. Yeah, that's a little disturbing. The McCAD, if you see here, this is higher than this. So, but that's still not a divergence. It's still strong. It's still strong. And the NASDAQ is only at 56 relative to the stock market. So, yeah, all you high flyers, all you guys buying those NASDAQ stocks, you're probably still making money, and you're probably still going to make money. Buying stocks is like making love. If you don't do it, you don't understand it. It's that simple. Bye.